In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove signature Docusign tutorial, 5 minutes. If you've saved a signature in Docusign and want to remove it, maybe you're updating your name, changing your style, or fixing an old image, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to delete that saved signature from your account. Just a quick note before we start, removing a saved signature from your profile does not change or erase signatures on documents you've already completed. Those remain part of the document history. What we're doing here is simply clearing a signature from your personal Docusign settings so it's no longer available for future use. First, log into your Docusign account in a desktop web browser. While the mobile app is helpful for signing, these profile changes are most reliable on the web. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This may appear as your initials or a small avatar. From that menu, choose Manage Profile. This opens your account details and settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Click Signatures. This is where Docusign stores your saved signatures and initials. If you've created multiple versions, they'll be listed here, each with its own options. Find the signature you want to remove and click the Actions menu next to it. In that drop-down, choose Delete. Docusign will warn you that deleting a signature removes it from your account and that you won't be able to use it going forward. Again, it won't retroactively affect any documents you've already signed. When the confirmation prompt appears, confirm the deletion. That's it. The signature is now removed from your profile. If you ever need a new one, you can create a fresh signature the next time you sign a document, or you can return to the signatures area later to add one. You'll be able to adopt a new style, draw one with your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image if your organization allows it. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the delete option, it may be disabled by your organization's admin or tied to specific permissions. In that case, reach out to your administrator for help. If you have both a signature and initials saved, be sure you're deleting the correct item. And if you're mid-transaction on a document, complete or cancel that process before changing your saved signature to avoid confusion. And that's all you need to remove a saved signature in Docusign. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your account quickly and confidently.